Most people get this wrong. They think all pharmacy benefit managers are the same. But the surprising truth about OptumRx is that it offers a mix of home delivery pharmacy savings and medication management that can make prescriptions more convenient and cost-effective. OptumRx provides mail-order pharmacy services, a large network of retail pharmacies, and digital tools to manage prescriptions. You won't believe what happens next. You can track refills, check prices, and even set reminders through their app or website, saving both time and money. Getting started is simple. Create an account online, add your insurance information, and select your pharmacy or home delivery option. They also offer savings programs for generic medications and specialty drugs. One key advantage is convenience. Home delivery allows you to receive medications monthly without visiting a pharmacy, and their support team can help with insurance or formulary questions. However, there are some limitations. Some users report slow delivery times or customer service delays, and not all medications are eligible for home delivery. Insurance coverage can also affect cost savings. In conclusion, OptumRx is a useful service for managing prescriptions efficiently and potentially saving money. If you value convenience, digital management, and home delivery options, OptumRx is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest healthcare and pharmacy service reviews to help you make informed choices.